Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add your phone number to your Discord account. First, open the Discord app on your phone or computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Look at the bottom left of the screen and click on the gear icon next to your username. This opens your user settings. In the settings menu, find the section called My Account. Here you will see your account information. Look for the field that says Phone Number and click Add. A new window will appear asking you to enter your phone number. Make sure to select your correct country code, then type your phone number carefully. After entering it, click Send. Discord will now send a verification code to your phone in a text message. Check your phone for the code. When you receive it, return to Discord and type the code into the verification box, then click Verify. You can also request a new code if the message did not arrive. After verification, your phone number will be added. That is how you add your phone number to Discord. Thanks for watching.